Hi everyone, I'm Burak and this is top 5 things you need to know about the new Mercedes S-Class after the intro. Number 1. Safety matters. In the new Mercedes S-Class, even the back seat has an airbag, which means the passenger in the back, they have the same protection as the driver and the passenger in the front. But that's still optional and it only comes in the long wheelbase. Number 2. There are several sensors in the car that can indicate and predict where are you looking at, which means if you're looking at the back window curtain will fold itself so you can see. It almost that can read your mind. It's a bit scary though. Number 3, which is a bit of a sad part, because the new Mercedes S-Class come with 3.0 V6 engine only. The Mercedes S-Class 450 comes with a V6 and produce 365 horsepower, and the Mercedes S500 comes with a V6 that produce 435 horsepower. But there is some good news, because Mercedes is gonna bring back the V8 engine to stay in the competition with the BMW 760 and the Audi S8. Number 4. Four-wheel steering with a massive angle. The back wheel will turn to the opposite side of the front wheel, which gives you a really good turning angle. In fact, Mercedes says it's gonna have the same turning circle as the A-Class. Number 5. Level 3 autonomous driving, which means that the car can accelerate, brake, and steer and change line all by itself. You can take your hands off the steering wheel, but only for a short period of time, because Mercedes will know, because there are 2 cameras that monitoring your eye. And I will never forget the auto parking system, which now you can park your Mercedes from your phone from outside the vehicle. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments which shape of the Mercedes S do you like the most. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and do all the things that you do on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.